Hello viewers, welcome to this video. This is Hemant. In previous session I have covered about Vagrant provision. In this video we'll see how to connect to Vagrant using IP address. Earlier we used to access Linux VM with Vagrant command, but instead of using Vagrant command, let's connect with sh or putty to Linux VM running under the Vagrant with IP address. So for this, we have to update the Vagrant configuration file. Yeah, so let me show you how the sample Vagrant file will be. So this is how the sample Vagrant file format, and let me open the PowerShell terminal. Yeah, this training one is stored in C homeware VM trainings. Let's clear here. So earlier we have created script1.sh and Vagrant file. So I will open Vagrant file using Visual Studio Code. So in this we'll uncomment config.vm network. So or else what we can do, yeah, or else yeah. First thing is you have to give host name for the box. So I will give vm dot host name equal to Bitroid server, and let's write config dot vm dot network private underscore network IP address. We can give any IP address, so 192.168.33.10. So this private address is like static address, like so using this address we'll connect to this VM using SH. So let's see if we have configured everything accordingly. So private network and host name. So okay, I have given 193.16.16.100. Okay, we'll give like that 193.16.16.100. Let's try this. So we have edited the file and we have saved the file. Let's bring up the instance Vagrant up. You can ignore the warnings because since we have updated the IP address, so due to that it's showing this remote connection disconnect error. Yeah, now Vagrant is up. So initially we have to do some configuration here. So we can use Vagrant sh. So we are inside. So in this we'll switch to sudo. So to switch to sorry, we have to switch to root. So to switch to root, you can do sudo su hyphen. So that will switch to root user, and we have to do some couple of configurations. So we'll update sh config. So using this set command will edit the configuration. So we are just removing hash before password authentication, yes, so that we can log in with password authentication. And one more command. So we are giving this set command to remove hash and to change the prohibit password permit to permit root login to yes. So we are permitting root login, and using systemctl, let's restart the SSH. So yeah, we'll reload the SSH, or let's restart SSH. Oh, I think it's SHD. Okay, right. I think, yeah. So let's see system serial status hyphen L SSHD. Yeah, SH is running, and let's update the root user password. So I'm updating root user password as Hemant with this command. So it has just updated the root user password. Let's come out of here, and now we'll just reload the, actually reloading is not required, but yeah, what we can do now, we'll try to edit etc host in Windows. So for that we'll use PowerShell. So in Linux we have etc host, similarly we have etc host in Windows. So to edit that, you have to run the PowerShell as a admin. So let's run the PowerShell as admin. I have clicked on yes on another window. So I'm pulling that one here. So I'm opening that with Notepad. So I'll go to home forward slash, sorry, backward slash. Sorry, I think a mistake. It opened something wrong. Backward slash Windows System 32. So next one is drivers etc host. So for other Vagrant images, I have configured this host name and IP address. So for this, we have given 193.16.16.100, and username is Bitroid server. So if you see here hostname hyphen I, so it should match with this. So let's open that one. Yeah. So let's save the file and close this one. You can check with get content. Sorry, so I'm in Linux only, so we'll come out of Linux. Let's check with get content of the file. So see Windows System 32 drivers etc host. So it appears our IP address here. Let's sh root at the rate 193.116.16.100. Yeah, it's asked for to save the known host file. So we'll give yes, and it asks for password. So I have given Hemant as password. I have entered the same. Yes, now you can directly do SH. So now you no more need a Vagrant command to access the Linux VM running under the Vagrant. So or else you can use putty. So I will open putty here. Putty putty. So you can connect to uh, IP address. Sorry, here root at the rate 193.16.16.100. So open, it has open in some other window. Another window, yeah, accept. Enter password as Hemant, H-E-M-A-N-T-H. Yes, it has connected successfully. Now, since you have updated the IP address with host name, so you can connect with host name as well. So you can type our root at the rate bitroid server and enter S. So now it's connecting to the same. So it has connected successfully with host name instead of IP address. Similarly, you can try in same in putty. So let's search putty here. Okay, and root at the rate bitroid server and open it. Okay, again it has opened in the second screen. So accept and type password as Hemant, and it's accessible with the host name as well. So that's it about this demo. Yeah, thank you very much for joining. Have a good day.